How fast can you connect the dots between product failures and their causes? In manufacturing, variability and defects are a constant battle. Manually connecting failures to their causes is a time-consuming process that delays problem resolution and impacts your bottom line. Spotfire Industry Pro accelerates problem resolution with root cause analysis. With Copilot, an intelligent AI assistant, engineers can use natural language to quickly analyze test and production data, spot subtle patterns, and identify the root cause of defects or low yield. Spotfire Industry Pro enables faster, data-driven decisions and allows seamless collaboration across your teams. For semiconductor manufacturing, Spotfire Industry Pro lets you analyze data and correlate test bins, wafer maps, equipment history, and process data to quickly resolve excursions, reduce scrap, and meet your target yield goals. Go beyond just finding the problem. Spotfire Industry Pro is the flexible tool that empowers you to unleash your creativity in solving complex problems. So what are you waiting for? Visualize brilliance in action today at spotfire.com/solutions/semiconductors.